Strathranoch, Ball Creek Road, Tooperang. 73.78 hectares, 2 allotments, 2 titles. The 2 allotments naturally lie together in the most impressive setting for a rural property. The fertility of the land, the setting of the homestead, the tree-lined drive, the bitumen road frontage, access to the stunning creek system and its life-giving waters provide a wonderful location. The homestead of 8 main rooms was built in 1920 and just oozes the charm of the time and is now ripe to be taken to the next level. Beautiful bones awaiting the artist. Currently a sheep and lamb property, the impressive prominently flat land with a gentle slope could accommodate an array of pursuits. Stud sheep or cattle, horses or even more exotic pursuits. However, all can maximise this location. The road frontage and impressive backdrop of prime pastures. The shearing shed and yards are in place with a small but serviceable set of cattle yards, allowing any purchaser to hit the ground running. Available in 2 non-contingent holdings. Allotment 1 being 43.68 hectares, 107.93 acres, with a 1920 stone villa of 8 main rooms. Allotment 51 being 30.1 hectares, 74.23 acres of vacant land. Take one or take both. The opportunity is now and the choice is yours.